Namaste, I'm Ishita. I'm a yoga wellness instructor and I invite you all to join me for the 5-day detox yoga program. If you wish to feel more energetic, lighter, cheerful, vibrant and wish to achieve a sense of emotional well-being, then this program is for you. We will be learning several yogic techniques to cleanse the body and mind. This will include strengthening asanas, purifying pranayamas, mudras to improve the focus and concentration, eye and throat clearing exercises, techniques to improve the blood circulation, energizing meditations, and so much more. If you are new to the yoga practice, then these 5 days are going to work out perfectly for you because it involves all super simple but super effective techniques which are all beginner friendly. So if you wish to eliminate toxins and clear out the energy blockages in your body and mind, then join me for 5 days of super relaxing, rejuvenating and soothing practices. Let's take a step closer towards better health together.